Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully designed our forget password page. So now I want to load our register page, right? So if you want to do that work, I have already created that part. That means in our URL, that will be our register. Into the view, there is a registration. Into the registration. So into the registration area, I already loaded our registration.html. So now that is our registration.html. So better I want to copy everything from our logging again, and also here I paste it. So here it should be as a registration. Okay, it should be as a registration page, and also it should be as a registration. Register your account. Here I want to name it as a register. Register your account. Also here I want to put some of the bracket. Okay, then it will be better. And for the register, there is a forget password, we don't need this, and have an account, so I just name it as already have you already account, then logging. Okay, that means here I make that as a logging now. So that is the logging URL, that will be as a logging, right? So I have already created that URL. That is our URL path name as a logging. So for the reasons here, I name it as a logging. Perfect. And also, if you now click on the save all, first of all, I'm going to check it. Is a refresh. So into the logging area, I have already added that URL, and click on here. Yeah, you can see it's perfectly redirected to our authentication and the registration. And to the registration area, there is our registration, register your account. So that is our two of this field. So for the registration, I want to add some of the multiple field. If you want to add that multiple field, like here, I take another one. It should be as a name. Okay, that will be as a name, and type will be as a text type. That will be as a text type, and that is our placeholder, your name. I name it as a your name. Okay, that will be as a your name. Perfect. And then our email address will be needed. So that email type will be email, name field as an email, and placeholder your email, and then that is actually your password, right? So for the password, I want to take another one for the confirm password. So I just simply paste it. It should be as a type, will be as a password type, and I just name it. Okay, I just name it as a confirm password, confirm _ password. Okay, confirm password. Perfect. So that will be as a confirm password, and I name it as a confirm password. Perfect. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yes, you can see there is actually your name, your email address, your password, and the confirm password. So with this, there is actually logging better. I want to change it. It should be as a actual register. Okay, it should be as a register now. Sorry, that will be actually this one. That means this should be as a register, and this will be as a logging. Okay, it should be as a logging. That is actually our message, right? So I have your already account, and that is our button name I have updated as a register. Perfect. Now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yeah, you can see there is a register your account, name, email field, password field, and confirm password field. And there is a have you already account, there is a logging. So for all that field, I have already declared that name. So our password type and name, I name it as a confirm password, and then the placeholder, another one is a password type, name, password, email, and the name. And that is a type, input type actually I added as a text. So now everything is great. And if you click as a logging now, it should be redirected to a logging page. So better for the logging, also here I want to add some of the bracket. Then it should be locative actually. So that is a logging.html. That is the page. So here I want to add another bracket. Click as a save all, and now refresh it. Yeah, it's much better, right? So that is our locking your account, and that is actually our two input field as your email address and then your password. And that is our forget password. That is our forget password. That is our locking, and that is our register. So friend, we successfully design our all that page, and here we successfully load it, right? So that is our locking and forget password and the register. So how can make that dynamic? How can working with this authentication? That means the Django default authentication system. So step by step, I will show you everything with live example. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.